So we're here at Alexandra Palace, who are also recipients of the Community Carbon Fund, and they have hugely ambitious emissions reduction program. Are now going to replace the old fluoro bulbs in these historic lamps with LED.
Yeah, it's just so exciting because we have just launched our new vision, a sustainable home for all that we do. And so we'd really like to thank Haringey Council for funding this project, because it's great to get some real life projects to bring that momentum through.
Yeah, so there's 52 lights along the terrace here, active lights with old fluorescent bulbs. We're replacing them with low energy LEDs, which are colour matched to the old, the same old colour to keep the ambience, and we should save about 7,000 kilowatt hours of electricity each year.